next breakdown with examples and actionable steps. Use strong, unique passwords. Example, the hacker tries to break into your email using a leaked password from a breached social media account. Actionable advice, use a password manager. Bitwarden, 1Password to generate and store complex passwords. Avoid reusing password across sites. Turn on multi-factor authentication, MFA, wherever possible. Keep software updated. Example, your computer gets infected with ransomware because of unpatched vulnerability in your operating system. Actionable advice. Enable automatic updates for your OS and application. Regularly check for updates by router, smart TV, etc. Don't ignore updates from scheduled if needed.
Be wary of phishing attacks. Example, you got an email that looks like it's from your bank asking you to verify your login. Don't click on suspicious links, download unknown attachments. Always check the sender's email address carefully. Go directly to the company's website rather than clicking links. Secure your Wi-Fi network. Example, a neighbor connects to your unsecured Wi-Fi, monitors your traffic or LAN setup. Change the default Wi-Fi name to SSID and password. Use WPA3 or at least WPA2. Disable remote management on your router.
Use antivirus and firewall protection. Example, you download free software from an unofficial website and it installs malware. Actionable advice. Install trusted antivirus software. Example, Windows Defender, Bitdefender, and keep it updated and run regular scans. Use a firewall to monitor incoming or outgoing traffic.
Be cautious with public Wi-Fi. Example, you log into your bank account using free cafe Wi-Fi and your data gets stolen. Avoid accessing sensitive accounts on public Wi-Fi. Use a VPN personal private network when using another network. Turn off sharing features on your device when using public Wi-Fi.
Backup important data. Example, your system gets locked by ransomware and you lose access to all your files. Actionable advice. Regularly backup data to an external device or drive or secure cloud service. Use automated backup tools to ensure consistency. Keep at least one offline backup not connected to the internet.
Bye!